morning, students. Yesterday we have started this next one chapter, triangles and their properties. See in your textbook page number 77, 15th one chapter. And we have studied this, what is meant by triangle. It is a closed figure made by joining these three non-collinear points and to form here three line segments. And these vertices, sides and angles are the parts of a triangles. Then types of triangles here based on sides and based on angles. Based on sides there are three types of these triangles. Equilateral triangle means all sides equal. Isosceles triangle means only two sides equal, and scalene triangle means all sides are different. Then see here types of triangles. Types of triangles based on angles. Based on angles. Based on angles. First one, acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. A triangle with all three angles are acute. See this figure. Angle, all three angles. A triangle with all three angles. All three angles are acute angles. Acute angles. See in DEF, in triangle DEF, angle D, angle E and angle F are acute angles. Acute angles. In acute angled triangle, a triangle with all three angles are acute angles. All three angles are this acute angle means less than 90 degree. Second one, right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Figure here PQR. In this PQR, in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Angle P and angle R are acute angles. Acute angles means here in right angle triangle, one angle is right angle and two angles are acute angles. Right definition: a triangle with one right angle and two are acute angles. A triangle with one right angle and two angles are acute angles. And triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. PQR is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Then third one, see, again one remain, obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Third one. A, B, C. In angle B is equal to obtuse angle, angle A and angle C, acute angles. A triangle with one obtuse angle, that definition, a triangle with one obtuse angle, and two angles are acute angles. In this obtuse angle triangle, one triangle with one obtuse angle and two angles are acute angles. In this triangle ABC, means here triangle ABC, obtuse angled triangle, based on angles, three types of triangle here. First one, acute angled triangle, right angled triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Then properties of a triangle. Next one point, properties of a triangle. First property, the sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the three angles, the sum of the measures of the three angles is here of a triangle is 180 degree. Suppose B is obtuse angle triangle, means suppose here 120. Then sum of the triangle, this measure is 180. Then how again 60 measures remain, means this angle A and angle C 30-30, means both are these acute angles. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is triangle is 180 degree. And second one, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is any two sides of triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. The length of the third side. Properties of this triangle. First one, sum of the measures of these three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And second one, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than this length of this third side. Then practice set 36. This tomorrow we will study. In homework you complete this today's class work. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay. Bye.